How you doing today? Hope you're doing well. As you can see, I am back at the beach, and I've just been enjoying this gorgeous, cool, summery weather kind of day. Now, it's like mid-60s with the sun shining by the beach here with that breeze. Hopefully you can hear me over the wind. But I'm out here just to enjoy the day, cup of coffee, meal, all that good stuff like I always do, but also testing out this footprint from OneTigris. Now, in the previous video, you saw me set it up in the woods, but today I wanted to try it on the beach for a couple of reasons. One, when sand gets on it, is it easy to clean off or does it stick to the material? And two, because sand holds moisture, even though it's not raining, I thought this would be a great way to find out if that moisture from the sand, when it rises, will it penetrate through the material? And if you're sitting or laying on it just like this, will your clothing get wet? Will you feel that moisture coming through? Now, it shouldn't do that because this is your typical fabric for, it's a silk nylon, like a regular tarp, so it shouldn't do that. What I will say is, when I'm sitting on here, I do feel that moisture from the sand below, but every time I get up, my pants are not wet. So hopefully that's a good indicator of how well this is performing at the moment. I still want to get out when it rains and see how it works with the bathtub floor to help block some of the rain water flowing downward if it was coming down a hill, to see how well it would block that water. And also, with a downpour of rain, with a tarp, how well I would be protected overall. But I just want to get out here on this gorgeous day, do this testing, and share the experience with you all. Yeah, and this is what life is all about. Get out there and do the things that you enjoy doing, that you have a passion for, and then sharing them with everyone you know. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. All right, Nature Man, why do you always go out to the same places all the time? Like, you love that beach? Yes, I do. I do. Here's the thing. When you find locations that you can go to and enjoy, go to them. Be there. Be present in the moment where you're at, right? These places are here for us to enjoy, and I will enjoy them as long as I possibly can. When these places are open to visit, I'm going to be there. When I can go to the Freetown State Forest, I'll be there. Any of the local nature preserves that I can visit, I'll be there. Why? Because they're there. They're available. It's where I can go, where I live, to enjoy nature. It's where I can go to decompress from the chaos of work, to think about who I am and the things that I offer other people in life. It's all of those things. It's everything combined. How often do you find yourself in a position where you want to do more, you want to be more, and you just feel like you don't have enough time to get it all done? Like, life seems to be moving so rapidly, so quickly. There's so much happening that you look around you and look at the destruction that's happening in the world, and you think to yourself, am I ever going to have a chance to do the things that I want to do? But you can also think about the fact that where you're at locally, are there places you can go and that you can visit and still enjoy life? Yes. Yes. Get out there. Enjoy those moments. That's what I'm talking about. Get out there and let your life be lived, because that's what it's all about. We have all of this beauty around us, and I'm pretty sure where you live too, you have places where you could go and visit. It doesn't have to be all day long like I do. It could be for a couple of hours. It could be for an hour. Go find a place to go take a walk and to decompress, to think about the things that are important in your life. And then also, you have family. I have families. Try to spend time with them. Try to make the best of every moment of life. That is my message. That's what my channel is all about, folks. Because I know there's so much happening that could change in an instant. Our lives can change so quickly. It's these moments that you have to take and cherish, because once they're gone, they're gone. We have 60 seconds to a minute, 60 minutes to an hour, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a week. What are we doing in our lives to make the most of all that time? I saw a video earlier today on TikTok, and it was something that was so profound. It said the average person lives for 75 years. And they said that 75 summers, 75 springs, 75 falls, and 75 winters. How much of those 75 years are you taking advantage of all that you have around you? How much of those 75 years am I taking advantage of every moment that I have to enjoy life? One day a week, folks, if you can get out there and do something, do it. That's one day that you are offering something for your own personal life to enjoy. That is the message I have for you today, folks. Get out there and do it. I woke up this morning, I was feeling sluggish, and I thought to myself, I'll just stay home. And I saw that video, and it made me realize, yo, you've got a life to live. You've got a place to go. And even if it's just doing what I'm doing right now, just setting up this gear and sitting here and just relaxing, that's what it's all about. That's what we need to do. All right, I think I've said enough. Get out there, enjoy every moment of life, folks. 75 years or more, or less, do your best to enjoy it. And I'll catch up with you very soon. God bless.